Okay, I'm selling these cars. They're monster truck, rally type of cars, or whatever you want to call them. Mud cars. Most of them, I believe, are brand name. But there are a couple that are not. And with this, you're going to get a couple bonus cars, but you know, they're more like a generic car. That's a pull behind. In other words, you back it up and it'll take off on you. That one also. That's a 57 Chevy. That one's Excalibur. That one there. This one's some kind of wrecking crew. That one's Hot Wheels. That one is Prime something right there. This one looks like some kind of lizard or whatever. This one's Grave Digger. This one's 2007 Freestyling Champ, some kind of pirate something. This one's the Outlaw. This one here is the Grave Digger, and that one there is King Crunch. Just to go over this row again, this one here, some kind of dinosaur looking. Taz, Superman, Grave Digger, Chrysler, and Jeep. And this one's American Guardian. But yeah, there's 6 in a row. 3 times 6 is 18. You get 18 total cars. It's quite a big lot. This is Mikey X007 signing off.